Alright, jammers. How do you do? Sorry if you can't hear the music. But, my computer wasn't working. So, I couldn't. So, yeah. It's really hard to hear, but if you can hear it, yeah. So, yeah. Well, that was loud. 40 Riley White here, and I'm just gonna show you guys a few outfits with a bunch of different animals, so yeah. Alright, we'll start out with this one. My Woofie. Alright, so as you see, here's an outfit. It doesn't really match, but yeah. Here, I'll pause the movie real quick. Alright, so here's one. It's all non-random. So, if you like that, you can use it. This is a non-lumber sword, so yeah, if you want to use that one, you can. Alright. Here's another one. Members. I am wearing a non-member sword, but whatever works, I guess. And if you don't have Fox hat, I'm pretty sure every member has one of these. So, yeah, there's one of them. Some for my girly girls. Some a little pink and add whatever you want to it, like a sword or your rack or something. Whatever you want, I guess. So yeah, there's that one. Whoops, dropped my food. Yeah, FYI, I am eating pudding. So yeah. Alright, new one. Alright. So here's some for my 10 boys here. My 10 boys. Yeah! Alright, so there's that. Make one for the guys. There's for all my guys here. Eye color. Eyes don't matter. That one. 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 I wouldn't do that one. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.